Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, how are you? How are you, my friends? How are you? I'm so happy to be with you today. It's teacher Alice and English for fun. Hello everyone, it's teacher Alice and welcome to our weekly lesson. And before we start, let's make sure that your hearing ears are on. Mine are on and yours? Are your ears on? Can you hear me? Good. Now make sure that your looking eyes are on. Are your eyes on? Can you see me? Excellent. Let's start. Can you tell me what day is it today? And today is Tuesday. Yesterday it was Monday. Bye-bye Monday, and after Monday it's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today's Tuesday all day long. Today's Tuesday all day long. Today is Tuesday. Excellent. So today is Tuesday. Can you spell it? Let's spell it together. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Excellent. Let's move on. And today we're going to learn a new letter. And the letter of the week is I. Let's see some words with letter I. Eyes. Ice cream. Yummy. Ice cream. Island. Insects. Ink. Excellent. Let's move on. And our next stop is a number, and the number of the week is number 9. 9. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you tell me how many boys can you see? I can see 9 boys. Can you tell me how many girls can you see? I can see 9 girls. How many ice creams can you see? I can see 9 ice creams. How many islands can you see? I can see 9 islands. How many insects can you see? I can see 9 insects. Excellent. Let's repeat. 9 boys, 9 girls, 9 ice creams, 9 islands, and 9 insects. Today we are going to talk about our appearance. Let's keep on practicing parts of the body. Let's try to describe ourselves. Hi, I'm teacher Alice. And I've got one head. I've got one head. I've got 2 eyes. Ear. I've got 2 ears. Nose. I've got 1 nose. Mouth. I've got 1 mouth. Neck. I've got 1 neck. Shoulder. I've got 2 shoulders. Arm. I've got 2 arms. Hand. I've got 2 hands. Finger. I've got 10 fingers. Tummy. I've got 1 tummy. Leg. I've got 2 legs. Knee. I've got 2 knees. Toe. I've got 10 toes. Excellent, well done. And now let's have some fun and let's sing a part of the body song. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Let's try it again and a bit faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Excellent, well done, congratulations. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's teacher Alice and it's English for fun. Bye bye for now, see you next time.